Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in car tech. Today, we'll be talking about the top 5 best high-resolution 3-channel car dash cameras. With more and more drivers hitting the road, having a dash camera is becoming a must-have for every car. A dash camera not only provides evidence in case of an accident, but also captures priceless memories during road trips. And with the advancements in technology, dash cameras are now equipped with high-resolution cameras, advanced features, and multi-channel recording capabilities. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 dash cameras that not only deliver high-resolution footage, but also offer a range of advanced features such as night vision, parking mode, and more. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventurous road tripper, these cameras will provide you with peace of mind and top-notch footage. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best high-resolution 3-channel car dash cameras. Number 5. Coxpol 11T2 Night Vision 3-channel Dashcam with GPS Wi-Fi. The Coxpol 3-channel dashcam is an excellent addition to any vehicle. With 3 channels for front, rear, and inside recording, it provides comprehensive coverage for any driving situation. The dashcam also features GPS tracking, which adds another layer of safety and protection to the footage captured. The Wi-Fi connectivity is a great feature that makes it easy to transfer the footage to your phone or computer, and the infrared night vision ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. The installation process was straightforward, and the dashcam fits snugly behind the rear-view mirror, making it almost invisible from the outside. The dashcam has a user-friendly interface and is simple to navigate, with all the necessary buttons located within easy reach. The video quality is excellent, with clear and crisp footage, even during high-speed driving. The rear and inside cameras provide great coverage, and the infrared night vision works as advertised, capturing clear footage even in complete darkness. The GPS tracking is accurate and provides valuable information, such as speed and location, that can be superimposed on the footage. In conclusion, the Coxpol 11T 3-channel dashcam is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a comprehensive, high-quality dashcam. It has all the features one could ask for, including GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and infrared night vision. The dashcam is easy to install, simple to navigate, and provides clear and crisp footage. I highly recommend it to anyone in the market for a new dashcam. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Vantru M4 3-channel 4K dashcam with night vision. The Vantru 3-channel 4K dashcam is an excellent car camera system that offers multiple viewing angles and high-resolution video. The front and rear cameras both capture video in 4K plus 1080p, while the front and inside cameras both capture 1440p plus 1440p. The 3-way triple camera system also includes a 1080p camera, providing comprehensive coverage of the vehicle's interior and exterior. One of the standout features of the M4 is its ability to capture video in 4K, which is 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p. The high-resolution video is crisp and clear, making it easy to see details, like license plate numbers and road signs. In addition to its high-resolution video capabilities, the M4 also features IR night vision, which allows it to continue capturing clear video even in low-light conditions. This is a particularly useful feature for nighttime driving and can provide valuable evidence in the event of an accident. Another great feature of the M4 is its 3-channel system, which provides 360-degree coverage of the vehicle interior and exterior. This allows drivers to see multiple angles at once and get a complete view of what's happening both inside and outside the vehicle. The M4 is also incredibly easy to install and use. The dashcam comes with everything you need to set it up, including a mounting bracket, power cable, and user manual. The user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, making it simple to adjust settings and review footage. Overall, the Vantru M4 3-channel 4K dashcam is a top-of-the-line car camera system that provides high-resolution video, IR night vision, and 360-degree coverage. Whether you're looking for added security on the road or simply want to capture memorable moments on your daily commute, this dashcam is an excellent choice. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Galfi B9W244N99 3-channel dashcam front and rear inside with IR night vision, loop recording, G-sensor. The Galfi 3-channel dashcam is a highly rated dash camera among car owners. This dashcam comes with a front and rear camera, as well as an interior camera, providing a comprehensive view of the entire vehicle. The 3-way triple camera system makes it an ideal choice for capturing important events while driving, especially in case of accidents or incidents on the road. One of the most notable features of this dash cam is its compact design and easy installation process, making it a great option for those who want a hassle-free setup. The IR night vision feature also adds to the dash cam's performance, ensuring clear and detailed footage, even in low-light conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for drivers who frequently drive at night. The Wi-Fi 3-channel dash cam also comes with a G sensor that automatically saves and locks footage in case of a collision. The loop recording function also ensures that there is always sufficient storage space available by overwriting the oldest footage. In terms of performance, this dash cam delivers excellent results. The footage recorded is clear and detailed, even at high speeds, and the dash cam captures every movement and event with ease. The controls are intuitive and easy to understand, making it user-friendly for anyone to use. Overall, the Wi-Fi 3-channel dash cam is a highly recommended choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam. With its comprehensive coverage, easy setup, and excellent performance, this dash cam is a great investment for any car owner. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. V-Star 3-channel 1080p dash camera for cars with 64GB SD card. The V-Star 3-channel dash cam has received high praise from its users for its impressive performance and features. The dash cam comes equipped with a 64GB SD card, providing ample space to store footage. The 3-way triple car camera covers the front, rear, and inside of the car, giving drivers a comprehensive view of their surroundings. The 1080p recording quality is noted for its crystal clear quality, providing clear details of the environment. The IR night vision is also a standout feature, recording clear footage even in low-light conditions. This is a particularly useful feature for nighttime drivers. The dash cam is easy to install and use, and comes with a user-friendly instruction manual. It also features a G sensor that automatically saves footage in case of a collision, providing extra security for drivers. In conclusion, the V-Star 3-channel dash cam has received positive feedback from its users. It provides peace of mind on the road and is a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and comprehensive dash cam. It is highly recommended to anyone in need of a quality dash cam. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. Tone Pro 3-channel 1080p adjustable lens dash camera for cars with 8 IR lamps night vision. The Tone Pro dash cam is a high-quality 3-channel dash camera designed specifically for cars. It boasts 1080p resolution on both the front and rear cameras, providing clear and detailed footage no matter what conditions you encounter on the road. One of the standout features of the Tone Pro is its adjustable lens, which allows you to angle the camera in any direction you need for maximum coverage. This is particularly useful for capturing incidents or accidents that may happen on the side or behind your vehicle. Another highlight of the Tone Pro is its 8 IR lamps, which provide excellent night vision capabilities. This means you'll still be able to capture clear footage, even in low-light conditions, making it an ideal choice for those who frequently drive at night. The Tone Pro is also incredibly easy to use, with a simple and intuitive interface that allows you to easily review footage, adjust settings, and more. The dash camera also comes with a sturdy suction mount that securely attaches to your windshield, so you don't have to worry about it falling off or becoming dislodged while you're driving. Overall, the Tone Pro dash cam is a top-notch choice for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dash camera. With its excellent image quality, adjustable lens, and 8 IR lamps, it provides the ultimate in peace of mind and protection while on the road. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. We hope this video was informative and helped you in choosing the perfect dash camera for your vehicle. Having a dash camera not only adds an extra layer of protection on the road but also allows you to capture those memorable moments during your drives. So make sure to invest in a high-quality dash camera and start filming your adventures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car tech content. We'll see you in the next one.